Lexerol is here with another vlog for Wrestling with Beauty. We are here on our way to the All-American Burger, which is right here in Massapequa. It's a pretty famous burger spot out here in Long Island. They're known for their massively sized burgers, massively sized fries, and their tantalizing, delicious onion rings. So, since it is Trigger's first time being here, I figured why not treat him to his first All-American Burger experience. We are pulling up here right now, and we will, show you guys what the place looks like on the inside and, just generally all the stuff that goes on in All-American. You excited? Babe's first All-American Burger! Yay!
Or at least have a fucking ATM.
We're kind of a little miffed because as of recently, they actually only take cash at All-American, so now we have to find an ATM machine to pull out money to buy food at All-American Burger. Don't know why they decided to do cash only, but right now we're on the hunt for an ATM machine, so wish us luck. So we are on the quest to find an ATM machine, which, is right here at the corner. So we're gonna pull out some money and buy ourselves some burgers from All-American. Okay, so so far we went to 2 spots to find an ATM. The only place we could go to is Citibank. So, which is weird. You would think that at least a gas station and a liquor store would have ATMs, but they don't. And, I'm still a little surprised that All-American takes cash only. I don't know if that's been like a thing for a while. I mean, I haven't gone in years, so again, not too sure what's going on. So right now the Hubs is at Citibank taking money out, and hopefully we'll be able to enjoy a nice afternoon dinner meal. Our order, and we're waiting for our food. We got quite a meal because they don't have bacon. Yeah, you guys are good. They don't have bacon here, so he's a little miffed about it, but trust me, once he tries the burger, he's gonna like it, and he's gonna come back, and he's gonna forgive the fact that they don't have bacon. So just wait till our food arrives.
Nope, the second you don't have bacon, the second I'm done with you.
Ignore him. That's what Anthony got, and this is what I got. Mine's is on the bottom. That's why I asked for a quarter pounder.
Well, why don't you fucking tell me these things?
He's a little mad, but
I am mad.
I love me some All-American, so I'm happy. So let's just try the first bite. Oh yeah, definitely good eating. And they give you cups of ketchup for your fries and your onion rings. Nice and crispy. And everything's always fresh and made to go. So, me personally, I like it. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this burger and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we finished our food. I wasn't able to finish the fries, and I had to split my burger with Trigger, which is fine because I'm trying to lose weight anyway, so it works out for me. But Trigger was definitely not happy with All-American, so I recommend it if, you don't mind good old-fashioned home-style burgers. It's really, really, really good food. But
I ate that burger in 2 seconds. Literally.
Yeah, it was, for someone with Trigger's appetite, it was practically a White Castle slider. So, needless to say, somebody should have gotten the quarter pounder burger like I did. Well, there's a big sign that says quarter pounder burger, obviously.
How am I supposed to know what a quarter pounder is? And if I ask for a double fucking cheeseburger, it could be the fucking same.
Yeah, he's.
And who the fuck puts vinegar on their fucking fries?
I thought it was delicious, so I personally recommend coming to All American, but
not my American burger.
That's been our adventure at All American. Thank you guys for watching. We love you guys. Don't forget to check us out on now Pornhub, also YouTube, Twitter. Oh, you're watching YouTube. Oh boy. But don't forget to check us out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Like us on Facebook, and you know, just follow, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to see what other places you would like for us to try out in Long Island.